Hello and welcome to the area around Randa near Zermatt in canton Valais in the southern part of Switzerland. This area is remarkable, not least due to the incredibly high mountains. I learned there are 29 mountain peaks that are higher than 4,000 meters. And what also characterizes this area is that there's a lot of water. There are about 50 lakes and there are close to 100 natural springs. And you see here that the water just powers out of the rock, coming from above there, from the glaciers, and produces not only amazingly pure and clear drinking water, but also, of course, electricity that the population here of around 6,000 people, 6,000 people in Zermatt, and over 2 million tourists who come here every single year to experience and enjoy this area of amazing beauty.